Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can install an Android app on your Chromebook device. And later, I will also show you on how you can organize and also manage the app, like uninstalling the app from your Chromebook device. And this is actually one benefit among many other benefits of using a Chromebook device. You have the flexibility of a desktop-like experience, but you can still install mobile apps right from the Google Play Store. So here's how you can do it. First, of course, you have to launch the Play Store on your Chromebook device, and I think it is worth mentioning that you have to log in to your Chromebook device. You cannot use the guest mode. You have to log in with a Google account. And after that, you can open the Play Store right here, and it will display some popular apps at the beginning, but of course you can always click the search menu and then search the app that you want to install. For me, let's try a browser like Mozilla Firefox. Hit enter, and let's try installing this software. I'm going to click install and just wait until it finishes. I think the app is a bit too big. I'm gonna try a different app that is smaller than Firefox. Let's try via browser. That's not a very popular browser, but it's very tiny, just less than 2 MB. Let's try that. I just want to demonstrate what an Android app would look like on a Chromebook, because sometimes the developer may enable the tablet mode. Sometimes the app may only work in a mobile version. But let's see. Let's click open. And as far as I know, this app is designed for mobile. That's true. Chromebook actually noticed it. Just click OK. And later we can actually just start using the app. Let's click agree. Okay, now I'm still waiting. Okay, this is the mobile app, and that's why it looks like this, which is not very common for a desktop app. So we can actually switch to the portrait mode to make the interface much more reasonable. So this is what it's going to look like in the mobile version. But of course, you can also go back using the landscape mode, and you can also just resize to whatever size that you want. So this is the tablet mode of the app, which is still okay in my opinion. But again, this app is mainly for a portrait mode. So that's basically it. And how about managing the app? What if you want to uninstall the app? Well, the process is the same as when you're managing an app on an Android device. You can first, of course, close the app first, and also you can uninstall by clicking or opening the app page on the Play Store and then click uninstall. Or you can also just go to the settings page, sorry, the launcher menu, and then right click on the app and then click uninstall. Or you can also go to the settings page, and we're going to uninstall right from the setting page. And okay, after that, click the apps menu and click manage your apps, and you can click on the app that you want to uninstall. Let's try the via browser right here. Click uninstall, and you can click the uninstall button to proceed with the uninstallation process. And when it's done, the app will no longer be available on your Chromebook device, and if you go back to the Play Store, the app is ready or available to be installed. So that's how you can install an Android app on your Chromebook device. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.